Discotek to release Dear Brother, Memories, Nyambo, Video Warrior Laserian Anime on June 29. Also, Lady Oscar, The Rose of Versailles Collection 2. Discotek Media announced on Monday they will release Dear Brother, Memories, and Nyambo anime, as well as a second collection of the Lady Oscar, The Rose of Versailles anime on Blu-ray disc on June 29. The company will also release the Video Warrior Laserian anime as standard definition Blu-ray disc on the same day. Discotek will release Dear Brother with English subtitles only. Discotek previously noted that the license period for their Dear Brother is unusually short and the company cannot assure that the license will be renewed after the first release. Discotek will release the 1995 Memories anthology film with the newly revised subtitle translation, the 1080p Blu-ray release will feature English subtitles, a new English dub, a special preview video, canon folder, animated storyboards, interviews, and an art gallery. The Discotek release of Nyambo will ship as a subtitle-only release. The Rose of Versailles released as an HD remaster of the series with English subtitles. The second collection includes episodes 21 to 40. Discotek released the first collection with the first 20 episodes on April 27. Discotek will release all 45 episodes of Video Warrior Laserion on SD Blu-ray disc in Japanese with English subtitles.